Hello everyone, Arjav here, and in this video I'm going to show you all how you can make your clock much faster by doing one thing, literally one small thing. So what you're supposed to do is, if you notice, most of the good clock solvers have put some kind of tape over here, and if you notice, this thing is empty. So what happens is that we remove the screws. Wait, let me just, yes, so these are the screws, they're pretty long. So yeah, we remove the screws, and if you're removing the screws, you might as well just put some lube inside your clock, or you may wipe the dust off, and then when you put it back carefully, you latch it all together, and then you put some kind of tape over here, and you do not put the screws back, but make sure to keep them somewhere safe, because just in case if you need them, you'll have them and you won't lose them. And yeah, using the tape just reduces the friction of the clock and it turns much faster. So look at this, let me just show you. Oh. That is how you make your clock much more faster. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.